Understanding Quadcopter Drones, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of quadcopter drones. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding photographer, or just curious about this modern marvel, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the secrets behind these flying wonders together. A quadcopter drone is a type of unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that is propelled and lifted by four rotors. The term quadcopter comes from quad, meaning four, and copter, from helicopter. Unlike traditional helicopters, quadcopters use two sets of identical fixed-pitched propellers, with two spinning clockwise and two counterclockwise. This design ensures stability in the air and gives the quadcopter its unique ability to hover, take off, and land vertically. Understanding the anatomy of a quadcopter helps in appreciating its capabilities. Here are the key components. 1. Propellers. These are crucial for the lift and propulsion of the drone. 2. Motors. They spin the propellers. The coordination of these motors allows the drone to move in different directions. 3. Battery. This is the power source for the quadcopter. 4. Frame. It houses all the components and ensures the structural integrity of the drone. 5. Flight controller. Consider this the brain of the drone. It controls the motor's speed and ensures stable flight. Quadcopter drones are not just for entertainment. They serve various practical purposes. 1. Aerial photography and videography. They capture high-quality images and videos from unique perspectives. 2. Inspection and surveillance. Drones can access hard-to-reach areas, making them perfect for inspecting buildings or monitoring wildlife. 3. Delivery services. Some companies are experimenting with drones to deliver goods quickly and efficiently. 4. Search and rescue operations. Drones can cover large areas quickly, making them invaluable in finding missing persons or assessing disaster-stricken regions. Operating a quadcopter drone involves understanding its control mechanisms and respecting the legal regulations. Key points include: 1. Learning the controls. Familiarize yourself with the drone's controller. Common controls include throttle, pitch, yaw, and roll. 2. Safety first. Always fly in open areas and maintain a line of sight with your drone. 3. Legal compliance. Be aware of local laws regarding drone flying, such as altitude limits, no-fly zones, and privacy concerns. Quadcopter drones are a testament to human ingenuity, blending technology and creativity to serve various purposes. From capturing breathtaking aerial shots to aiding in critical rescue missions, these devices have significantly impacted numerous fields. We hope this video sheds light on the basics of quadcopter drones and sparks your interest in this remarkable technology. Fly high and explore the skies, but remember to stay safe and abide by the rules. Happy flying, and see you in the next video.